What's up guys? My name is Brendan and this is Student of the Community. In this show, you guys send me your clips through Instagram's direct messenger and I give you guys the best tips I can. So that way we can all learn from each other and become students of the community. With that said, let's get started. Our first clip comes from Aiden, and if you guys aren't following this guy, you should. He has been such a supporter of the Mastering series and he is always training hard. Let's check it out. First, I want to say that was a great gainer switch. You could easily swing it. But there's one thing I want you to focus on. Whenever you're doing a gainer switch, bringing your swing leg back is what gets your plant leg beneath you, so that way you can swing into the next. You did a great job of this, but as you brought your swing leg back at the end of your gainer switch, you tucked it up, bringing it close to your body. If you extend that swing leg and switch at the hip, your plant leg will be a little bit more beneath you, your chest will be up, and you'll be able to swing it a lot easier. But you could easily get this. Thank you so much, Aiden, for sending in the clip. Our second clip comes from Frenchie, and he's looking for some tips on his cart full. He says he's not getting the inversion he wants, and it feels like a cart B-twist. Let's check it out. Go. First, I want to say that was very close to the inversion that you're looking for. My biggest tip for you is in your cartwheel. Your full technique was pretty good, but as you did your cartwheel, you had a very small body position. Your arms were bent, your legs weren't extended, and that killed a lot of your momentum. As you do your cartwheel, you want to push your momentum forward and have a nice big body shape with extended arms and legs, so that way you can push that momentum into your full. Next time you try your cart full, just put a little bit more energy into the cartwheel and focus on getting into that big body shape in the middle, and you'll have no issues, and that should help you get the inversion that you're looking for. Our third clip is from Bryce, and he's looking for some tips on stamina. He wants to throw long combos but gets tired near the end. Let's check it out. Yes! Bryce, I completely understand. This is something that I struggle with too. When throwing long combos, what'll help your stamina is your breathing. Every time you do a scoot or another transition, use that as an opportunity to take a breath and to figure out where you are in space, and then move forward with the combo. If you plan to breathe every time you do a scoot, that will make your combo a lot easier, and that way you can focus on exactly what you're doing. Focus on your breathing and it will help your stamina a ton. Thank you guys so much for watching, and a special thank you to everybody who submitted clips. If you want to get your clips featured on next week's episode of Student of the Community, direct message them to me at Mastering Tricking on Instagram. I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for all the support for Student of the Community. It means the world to me, and please have a lovely day.